They're gonna watch that.
well, these are the packets.
Damn.
And then this is the beer. And then
Yeah.
and then you put this into here. Yeah. And here's your instructions. And then
I think we should have her do the video.
then you mix it.
No,
and then,
let's get you a
and then
bikini.
you put it,
And
I know, right?
you-
Come out.
And then you open these and you put it in, and then you open these and you put it in, and then you shake it all up,
Damn.
and it's done.
You put a
You
female.
need to do my job.
You put a female in a video game, instant like 10,000 views.
Yeah, right.
Well, let's close.
Just like.
Are you kidding? Have you ever seen the girl that shoots the guns? They got tons of videos.
There's girls that like all the videos is just her walking around like.
Yeah,
fucking-
those are pretty girls.
She is. She is a pretty girl. Why can't you be a pretty girl?
I don't know.
Well, let me just fix. Hey, what'd you do with that other packet?
Just tossing that shit around.
Thank you.